Interrupted with the Windows Divert Network Capture DLL blocking WinDivert Project workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. As we get into the manual process for Windows Divert Network Capture, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Windows Divert Network Capture. The Windows Packet Divert library allows applications to intercept, modify, or drop network packets in real time. It is essential for game VPNs and advanced firewall tools. Because it acts as a low-level network driver hook, it is frequently deleted by Windows Defender. If missing, specialized networking tools will report a driver failed to bind error. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Unlike Windows core files, Windows Divert Network Capture DLL belongs to the specialized WinDivert Project environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Windows Divert Network Capture file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since the restart didn't fix the network DLLs, let's run the reset commands to refresh the protocol stack. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type now n.etsh space int space ip space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, network protocols rely on a clean data path. This reset flushes corrupted socket entries and clears the cached routing manifests that often prevent these DLLs from communicating. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Windows Divert Network Capture DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Windows Divert Network Capture. If your workstation is back online and Windows Divert Network Capture is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.